Good morning, friends. I would like to share a couple of sketches that my 18-year-old grandson sketched for me in a recent letter. I was just thrilled to receive a letter from him. Both of my children love Jeeps, and the grandkids have all loved Jeeps. I had a Jeep for a while, which was way awesome. And now he is driving this car, which he says he accidentally left the hood unlatched and the hood blew up on him. So that's a life lesson he learned. He sketched the Michigan State Capitol building in Lansing. And he sketched, isn't he an awesome artist? He found this kitten and named it Skeezy. And I am just so happy to have gotten a letter from him. So he made my week. He really, really did. He made my month. So what I'm going to share are the Artisan Journal Prompt 2025 contributors. So this is my shout out list. I spilled coffee this morning all over the place. It dripped onto my journal. This is my Artisan Journal. And this collab is hosted by Kiki over at Kiki's Life. And hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2025. So let's see what kind of damage we've got here. I was so frustrated after I spilled the coffee. Oh, I guess it didn't. A couple of drips right there. Well, good. It doesn't look as though it did any damage, so that's a cool thing. We are in week 30, I believe. Kiki gave the prompt this morning. My shout-out list is going to cover week 29 week 28 cat, week 29 sunshine, and a few people did catch-ups. And I haven't shared, I haven't done my sunshine page from last week yet. So I think what I'm going to do is just go right off my list here. And I watched a total of 15 videos. And that includes today's video from Kiki with week 30's prompt, and I'll send you on over to Kiki's channel so you can get the prompt reveal from her. So I watched Kiki's video on cat, so let's do something different here. I will do at Kiki and Sean. She is our wonderful host and does a prompt reveal every week. I am assisting her this year and doing the shout outs. And my most recent bonus prompt, I've been doing a bonus prompt randomly. The most recent bonus prompt was just to sketch what's in front of you. And I shared those sketches of the coffee cups from several weeks in a row. So why don't I just do another coffee cup sketch here. And this coffee cup is empty because this is the one I spilled. I was taking a cap off of a pen and my hand slipped. And this is what I'm sketching. You are wonderfully quirky. And shout out to Emily over at Emily's Paper Caper. Emily, we need a name for this bird. Emily has 2 channel mascots. They are little troll dolls. One is Sir Scraps-a-Lot and one is Pixie Parchment. So I would like suggestions for my little fluffy bird pen. Whoops. And she often falls over. Let's see, maybe I have it turned. Maybe there's a heavy side there. Ah, so you are wonderfully quirky. I found this mug at a thrift store, my favorite thrift store. So there we go. That's all you need to do, guys. I have a mug rug underneath. So show me what's in front of you. This is an exercise I learned from a book called Art Before Breakfast. And the artist's name is Danny Gregory. And the author. So there we go. On with the shout out list. I watched Susan over at Susan's Heartstrings. She did a couple of pages. She did her summer page. Actually, she did 2 summer pages because she had so much fun. And I really enjoyed her summer collages. She did a red, white, and blue page, and she featured a really cute house that was white, and then she added various photos and collage images in red, white, and blue. And then she did a popsicle page, and she did her cat, and she did the cutest little girl. I think it was a rubber stamped image, or maybe it was a printed image. I'm not sure. Susan can refresh my memory, please. Her name was Emily Button, the image of the little girl. So, as I have said multiple times, please head on over to everyone's channel that I am shouting out. That's the fun part of an open collaboration, is that we can get inspiration and encouragement from other crafters, journalers, and artists, and you know, share in this open collab and help support all of these channels. I watched 2 videos by Mary Jo and Chloe. She did an awesome cat sketch. So cat was week 28. She sketched a cat, which was her cat laying in front of her. Mary Jo is a phenomenal artist, and I really enjoy that she has been joining in my bonus prompt participation as well. She also made a cat tag, a tag for her journal page. And Lynn and Crafting, which previously was Lynn and Journals, Lynn did her bonus prompt, and she always shares into Artisan Journal Prompt 2025 as well. Oh, sorry about the dogs barking. They must see the neighbor walking around. So back to Lynn. I watched 2 videos by her. She did her sunshine page, and Mary Jo and Chloe, I wanted to say, she did Lynn and Crafting shared her July junk journal, or I'm sorry, it's a July journal. So that was video 4 and 5. She also did a bonus prompt. She sketched her journal, which was in front of her. And Lynn and Crafting has a new hashtag. It is, oh, of course my pen is running out of ink. So Lynn and Crafting has an open collaboration. I haven't joined in yet, but I intend to. Art journaling with Lynn 2025. So I will tag that hashtag in my description box. The 6th video I watched was Nemo Cat 20 Creations. She did her weeks 25 through 28, and it's totally cool that you guys do catch-ups. It's fun to, I mean, I realize life happens, and even with me, I had to take a break last week. I was off visiting my baby granddaughter. Well, the family did the staycation renovation on the baby's room. I'm looking out the window. There's a cardinal in my bush. How beautiful. Oh, he's so pretty. I am scatterbrained this morning. So, Nemo Cat 23 Creations, she did her summer page. She did a fun watermelon. She said it was kind of creepy, but I thought it was cool. I didn't think it was creepy. She did a red, white, and blue with flags. She did her popsicle page. And she did her cat collage, which was really pretty. I saw Kiki's week 28 cat page. Oh, I have 415 sunshine. I guess I must have seen Kiki's sunshine page as well. Yes, I did. So 2 videos by Kiki plus her reveal. And then Chrissy over at Virginia Girl did her really cool cats collage. Special shout out to Susan at I Totally Love It for Junk Journal News episode 29. She shouts out this collaboration every week. Thank you, Susan. You are totally awesome. And she always thanks. She said thank you to all who helped a friend, whether a YouTube friend or a friend in our lives. And she did a high five to all who were able to put up their feet and relax a little bit. She always does a fun shout out. She does channel shout outs. She does storefront shout outs, and she does the high five, and she does a special thank you every week. So head on over to Susan at I Totally Love It. She actually shouts out many of us collaborators who are contributing into Artisan Journal as well. So thank you, Susan. I appreciate your hard work and your fun compilation of many awesome collaborations. And then I saw Angela Jones at Angela Jones Creates. She did one of my bonus prompts. She did the doodle and color page, and it was beautiful. It was absolutely an awesome piece of artwork. So thanks, Angela, for doing one of my bonus prompts. That's so fun. I saw Becca over at the Becca JB. She did, I stopped writing everybody's name down. See, I'm scatterbrained. Let's just do Susan at I Turtle Turtley Love It. And VA Girl Chrissy. And of course Kiki and Sean. I didn't get Nemo Cat 20 in this Pen Fun Creations. And this journal was gifted to me by Donna over at Just Donna Maria. Thank you, Donna Maria. I love this little spread. I'm finally using it. Where were we? Angela Jones Creates. And the Becca JB. She did a fun sunshine collage page. She used a coloring page and a sticker, and I really enjoy seeing collages. Whoops, I'm writing collage. Sunshine. I love seeing collages. I love seeing art. I just love seeing journal entries, period. So, and then Mary Jo and Chloe. So I think that was 3 videos by Mary Jo and Chloe. She did her sunshine with googly eyes. That was so cute. It made me laugh. MS Crafty Girl, Kathy, did her cat page. And looks like she did her sunshine page as well. And she used a bunch of really fun quotes that she had stickers of, or she had cut out of a ephemera book, I think. And one of them was, "Home is where the cat is." I just love that. That was so cute. Thank you for sharing that, Kathy. MS Crafty Girl. So like I said, please check out everyone's video that I have mentioned, and I will list in the description box. And then video 14 was Sandy over at Crafty Alley Cat. She did her cat collage, and it was so cute with fun papers and fun stickers. And so Crafty Alley Cat. And then Kiki did a fun sunshine page. She found an image she printed out on her computer and added that into her journal. So thank you, everyone. Boy, this was really chatty. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and head on over to Kiki's channel to see week 30's prompt. Bye-bye now.